Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays, and just recently myself and Zoe went off in Herman to the Motorhome and Caravan Show at the NEC in the UK. We're not thinking about buying and we're not thinking about replacing Herman. Kind of thing that we look out for are motorhomes with a rear lounge. Herman doesn't have one, we don't have any children, so a rear lounge to sit and relax would be ideal for us. During the video you may see clips like this where you can see me talking, but of course it's not lip sync at all. That's because I had audio problems and I'm having to redo the commentary. In this video we'll be looking at Rapido and roller team. First of all, we have the Rapido i96 at £91,580. Walking into the motorhome, you're greeted with this very posh looking two-tone stylish leather. I think there's probably enough seats for 5 people, 6 at a push, and there's a very large table in the middle which we're only seeing half of it there. Turning round into the kitchen area, there is a fridge freezer tower on the left, and I quite like that kitchen styling. It reminds me of like the 60s, very retro, all that whiteness. And there is LED strip lighting everywhere, even under the cabinet there and just above the drawers and the oven. And under there is a 3 gas hob ring. Moving past the bathroom and the shower, you don't look in there unfortunately, is the very large bed. It's an island bed, and I wondered what these were. These look like cabinets. I was trying to move them up so, you know, maybe they could fold it up or something. There's one either side. Not too sure what they were. We have a look at a bit closer in a moment. Storage above and beside each side of the bed. And there's a socket on the wall just there for your television. The bathroom there looks very bright. I don't know why it's blue. I wasn't too sure if that was the LED lighting again. Moving outside, I do like the Rapido style. It does seem to kind of give me the impression of it's not messing around, you know. There's lots of storage, underfloor storage entrances there, and most likely the other side. But if we look at the back, the garage, we can see that thing here. I'm not too sure what that is all about, and I can imagine it having a bit of a draft when you're in bed. Strip lighting again. Appears to be plenty of room for bikes, barbecues and chairs and stuff. Maybe even get one of those mobility scooters in there as well. This one is the Rapido 8094dF at £83,140. At the front here you have a similar layout, if not the same as a previous motorhome, but I don't enjoy the colours so much as the previous one. The two-tone's gone here. The kitchen area is, I think, identical by the looks of things, that retro style. But the big difference is the lounge at the back. Now, it's not leather, I noticed. Some storage above the seating, and they have the cinema kit fitted here, which I think is very simple to do yourself, but it's, you know, it's kind of a bit of a novelty.
I see, so that's the projector just up there.
Oh yes, a different coloured
I
light.
can actually sit here and look out the window
is,
while watching the screen.
When you move about,
The screen will drop
squeaks,
down there.
doesn't it? And you go and open all the
Squeaks? Well, new ones do squeak, don't they?
Also in the lounge area is the multicoloured LEDs, and I think behind there is the screen. It's got stereo speakers and a projector, which you could probably just pick up from Amazon anyway for a few £100s. Now I might be remembering this incorrectly, but I'm sure the sales guys said that the cinema kit is around £1,200, which to be honest is quite expensive. We have a quick look at the shower, and turning around we can see the other side, the bathroom. It looks quite nice. It looks a bit cramped as well though, but I'm sure it's adequate. Plenty of storage by the looks of things. The lounge sofa turns into a double bed, and there is a drop down bed above the cab over there. Now before we do step outside, I noticed this little cabinet on the right, and peeling it back there is where you put your television. Looking at the front, I think I prefer the other one. It's a lot more stylish, I think. And of course having that lounge does gobble up the storage area in the garage. Enough room for a ball by the looks of things. Actually, this is alright. I don't think we have enough things to fill it up. And there is a gas outlet on the side there. And let's not forget the underfloor storage. There is a light in here which is very useful, and it's also heated by the looks of things. I do worry that I'd lose things in the corner or something, you know, never see them again. This is a Roller Team Pegaso 745 at £64,000. The storage, the garage here, looks a bit cramped. Probably lose some stuff underneath there, I would imagine. But there's more room than we have at the moment. So there's our dining area. Plush leather by the looks of things. Comfortable and cool looking driving position, and there's a bed up there. Kitchen doesn't look too bad. Sink, of course, and 3 hobs, oven. The lounge, leather shaped. Looked very, it's quite cool actually, with all the leather and the black stitching. And then the, oh, hello. The bathroom. Again, nice wood finish in here. Separate bathroom shower.
You've got all your favourites there, yeah. The bed at the top again. Yeah.
There's the fridge, freezer. It's looking a bit small. It goes down as well, so that's the oh, it must be the freezer compartment. Don't know what that is. Oh no, that's not moving. I don't know what that is. So this is the Roller Team Zero Fat 690, £48,000, and that has got to be the biggest garage I've ever seen. It's huge. Let's go on in and see what it's like. So the dining area is quite comfortable.
This is a nice bathroom, look.
Bathroom.
Good bathroom.
Nice colours. Nice wood effect.
We were just saying with the dark colour it makes it look smaller.
I don't mind about that. Huge. Look how high that bed is.
So it makes it look really big from the outside, doesn't it?
It's quite a large motorhome, to be honest. Lots of room in here compared to the size, I should say. This is another bed. You've got a corner locked off there. Some storage up there. Some cupboards. Kitchen. And an oven. There you go. And this is where, oh, so you have to open that out to get to the cutlery. That can be a pain. And then sorted. So that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it useful. Did you go to the show? Did you see these motorhomes? What did you think of what I thought of these motorhomes? Let us know in the comments section below. We now have an online store where you can buy t-shirts, stickers, mugs, all that kind of thing. T-shirts come in different sizes, different colours for male and female and children, and all the designs on everything is actually designed by myself. And so head over there and see what you think of my designs. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.
Okay.